Hey everyone, this is Ed, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with Google Voice. If you're anything like me, you don't want to share your private telephone number with the families that you are working with. And there's a simple solution out there, Google Voice. Google Voice will get you a free phone number for calls, text messages, and voicemails. You can use the apps on smartphones and computers, and you can link your number to any mobile or landline phone number that you want. So let's go ahead and get started and head over to voice.google.com. And before we get started, our school account does not allow us to use this product. So I'll be using another Google account that I have. It's one of my personal accounts. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and quickly make one. It's pretty simple to do. Okay, so once we're on the main page, we're going to go ahead and click personal use. And at this point, we should have a drop down bar that comes down. And you can go ahead and use Android or iOS, whatever phone that you have. But for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and select web. It'll be a little bit different on your phone, but for us, this is going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and select web. The first thing they're going to ask you to do is pick a nearby city so that they can go ahead and give you a phone number. You can also search by your area code if you want, but when I tried this earlier, there were no 215 area codes left. So I'm going to go ahead and click Bala Cynwyd. And that appears to be a 484, which is probably why I get a lot of spam from there. But I'm going to go ahead and just select the first number. It really doesn't matter. And then, of course, you're going to have to verify. Now you're going to enter your personal phone number that you want to connect to, and then it's going to send you a verification code. Okay, so now that I went ahead and created an account, this is going to be my basic page that I'm going to look at. And again, this is going to look a little bit different on your mobile devices. But you could see on the left-hand side, the telephone is highlighted, which means on the right-hand side, I can go ahead and place a phone call, and then it'll just work through the speakers of the computer. Underneath the telephone, you'll see a little text bubble, and if I click on that, I can go ahead and start sending text messages to people. Then the next one, you can see that there's the voicemail symbol, and that's simply just to get your voicemail. And then finally, the last thing that we want to go over are the settings. So we're going to click the little cog in the upper right hand corner. And under the account is where you can go ahead and kind of personalize your entire Google Voice settings right here. So as you can see on the left hand side, you can set up do not disturb or different voicemail or web notifications, however you want to set it up. And you can also link multiple phone numbers. So if you just go ahead and click new link number, then you can just go ahead and add the phone number that you would like to add to your account. Well, thank you for watching this tutorial, and hopefully this can be a useful tool when you're trying to contact the families that you work with.